You passed out. You passed out on that Oreo.
Who are you? Oh, wait.
Dude,
Wait.
I'm Endermity.
Wait.
I'm Endermity.
Wait. Hey, what's up, bro? Remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember you.
Yeah.
You're Endermity, my best friend. Well, yeah.
Yeah. Endermity.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
I'm Endermity, so
I know you, okay? You're like my best friend, yeah.
I'm just making sure.
Oh, I heard grumbles in your stomach.
Oh yeah. Your stomach
Me
hurts.
too, bro.
I know where the toilet is. We gotta go right now. Right now. We gotta go.
Let's go, bro. Oh, my stomach is diarrhea. You.
We gotta go. I think I have explosive diarrhea. I don't know.
Let's just go. I'm going this way. I can run. Who's going first? You or me?
I'm going out first.
Bro, there's an earthquake.
Oh my god. Oh, I think I got stuck in the hole.
Bro.
Dude, go next. Go. Dude, are you okay?
I don't know.
I think it's over.
Sniff, if there's still some.
No, there's nothing.
Let me see yours. No.
We gotta go. We need food.
Yeah.
Wait, no, we don't need food.
Bro, it's kind of turning nighttime.
Oh no.
This is
Wait,
bad.
we can't eat Oreos because
Chicken?
chickens cannot eat Oreos. Wait, stand up, bro.
Can we eat chicken?
Go somewhere else.
Like
Alright. Let's
like
go.
what, bro?
I don't know what to do. Wait,
Wait, is
Have
that
you
shelter?
heard- no, that's not.
That's
That can't be shelter.
That's just cool.
It's just a pool.
Have you heard what?
Wait. The trees we chopped down last time
Yeah.
are still there.
Wait.
We gotta go.
We need to go, bro.
Bro,
I'm gonna beat you there.
dude, like.
Wait, see,
I wasted all my wood. Wow, making the tools.
Then we need more.
Yeah, we need
Come on. Oh, look, there's stone here.
Dude, stop. Nah.
We need stone. Oh, actually, no.
Whoa,
Let's
I
get
found
some more.
iron. Right here. Iron. Right there.
Oh, we'll use it right now.
We gotta cut down these trees.
Got that
Dude.
good.
How much? I have
I got 20.
Dude, I got 35 this time.
That's nice, bro.
Nice.
Let's go. Let's go
Dude.
build a shelter.
Dude, I can't smell it. It smells weird.
Let's see. Let me sniff you.
It smells weird. Anyways.
You smell minty.
Yeah, it smells weird.
All right, where are we gonna build the house?
Dude, I don't know where we're gonna build a house. Like, right there? Right here.
Yeah, let's build it.
Wait, not yet.
Wait, you do have a point.
We need a farm.
We already have a farm here.
Oh yeah, but we need to find a village
A village?
so we can find
That
iron.
is a good idea. Yeah.
We need to find a ravine and we need to find iron, like more iron, so we can.
Wait,
I
what's
already have
this?
a
Wait.
sword.
Wait. I think this is the water temple.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, remember last time? Yeah. Don't do that again, please.
Okay.
No, please.
I got my hair wet.
I got my hoodie wet right now.
Alright, but what do you... Wait, is that a rattlesnake? Bro, I think it's a rattlesnake.
That can't not be. Oh my god, it's a
It's spitting out.
It's a green rattlesnake. I have not seen those.
Those are really rare, I heard. In Minecraft.
Oh my god.
Wait, I think this is a good shelter over here.
We went.
I think this is where we spawned it.
Yeah. No, we spawned.
Bro, let's just sit in this chair, bro. Like, for real. Come on, sit next to me, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's just sit together.
Yeah.
Bro, you sniffing my butt. Here. Just okay.
Yeah.
Bro,
Wait.
after all this work that we did.
A bug.
Where?
A bug. god! It flipped over the chair. It flipped up. It flipped over the chair. It flipped over the chair. Oh my god! My Yeezys. Wait,
No, I don't have my Yeezys.
Wait, what? You don't have your Yeezys?
No,
You don't have your Yeezys?
I don't have my Yeezys, bro.
You don't have your Yeezys?
I don't got my Yeezys, bro. I don't got my Yeezys. Let's just go sit down.
I saw my.
Bro, that bug was so powerful, though.
Dude, it was like.
It was like going like 10 miles per hour.
Yeah, it was so fast.
Bro,
Dude,
bro,
I'm tired.
Hey, but for real, bro. We need to do something.
Yeah, we need to do something about this.
Wanna play like tag?
Nah. Wait. I'm gonna ride you somehow.
What? Okay, fine.
Like a horse. Alright.
Bro, you're too heavy. Oh, my body hurts. Bro, I think you broke my bones. My fragile bones.
I'm sorry.
Bro, you broke my bones.
It's not my fault. I ate too much tortillas over the summer.
Bro, I told you not to eat tortillas. I told you to eat tacos.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Marshall. Wait, who's Marshall?
Who's Marshall?
Marshall?
Is there someone you're not telling me about?
Wait, where is he? I think I just saw him peek over. Anyways.
What?
Like,
Here, let's see. I'm gonna teach you how to fly.
yeah.
Here, I'm gonna teach you how to fly. All right, so this is how you fly. Look at, move. Ready, set, go.
Woo! Wait,
Bro, yeah.
Wait, can I try?
Yeah, go.
2, 1.
Whoa,
Oh my god.
bro, you went so far, Dude, that went so far. That went super far, bro.
Very fast.
Super. Bro, I think I could still fly a little. It's just that I can't move a lot. Let me try to get up. I'm almost gonna get up. Yeah. Come on. Oh, I got up. Whew. That was a relief. Thanks, Endermity, for helping me get up because I couldn't get up. Here, wanna fly again? I'm back.
No, it's not fine. I'm so tired. Oh my god, I'm tired. Run because, like, I'm kind of putting some few pounds on me.
Yeah, let's get some tortillas.
No. We got loads of tortillas.
Oh yeah, when you lose. Let's just run around, you know? Just gonna.
Yeah, let's keep running around. Come on. Wait.
What? Did you call me? Oh, let's just come on, let's go.
Let's go here.
Let's running around.
Remember where the rat was?
Ratchet.
Remember where the rat was?
Yeah.
Wait, what's that black thing?
Bro,
Like
I
that?
think it's food. I think it's a fridge.
Wait, what was it called? Come on. My head! Ow! It cut me.
Then let's just go back.
Let's
I think I saw a rat.
Okay?
Bro, it's turning nighttime. What should we do? I have an idea. Rattlesnake! The snake is coming after us for the blood. Bro, but I really miss my Yeezys.
Dude, look at that tall jungle tree.
It's bad luck, I heard.
Wait.
Legend says that the that Bigfoot ate it.
Oh my god. I'm climbing it.
This
Oh
is
no, I
such a no! Oh, my best friend!
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so dirty.
Here, let's go.
Yeah, thank you. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Wait. I see something red right there. I see something red.
What is that?
Wait, come follow me. Wait, where are you? Wait, where are you? Oh, there you go. Let's go. Come on.
Alright, I'm coming. Wait, what is that?
Wait, what? It says retail wheat not every day.
I don't know how to read.
Yeah, me neither.
Ah! Wait! Something's attacking me! The lava! Help me!
Where is that?
Endermity!